with your teacher friends.
Hi, it's Heather here.
And Lydia, your very happy teacher friends. Today, bringing to you earthquakes and destruction, and also testing and redesigning. And Heather will tell you more about it.
So for this engineering activity, these are the materials that you're going to need.
Tell me, Heather, what do I need to do?
Yes, so all we need is just some blocks and some trays to build on. So depending on how many students and trays and blocks you have, you can share them around. And you're going to be the student and I'm the teacher just for now.
Okay. How old am I?
How old are you? How old do you want to be?
Okay, I will not be the 3-year-old destructive child. I will be your middle school aged
Lovely.
child. Okay.
Okay. And your first task, I need you to build a tall tower.
Sure.
So we'll give Lydia and the students about 10 minutes to build a tower. Nice building, Lydia. So your time is up. So if we look at Lydia's tower here, we can see, like other tall towers around the world, that it's built to be nice and strong for up and down here. So all the people up the top and the people down the bottom are great. It's built to deal with forces like gravity and the weight of up and down here. But there's a little problem, Lydia.
What's that problem?
Well, the problem is that there's about to be an earthquake where you've built this tower.
Oh, shouldn't you have told me that earlier?
No. And there's going to be some movement, but it's not just going to be up and down movement, there's going to be sideways movement.
I see
So
where
watch
this is
out.
going.
How long do you reckon that earthquake was last year? About that long.
About that long.
Now, you can't
Wow,
fix
let me
it
pick up
yet.
all the pieces.
So now remember we said this challenge was about redesigning and testing. Redesigning and testing. So now we've got these pieces, you've got this tower. You were building a tall tower, but this time I need you to build a tower that can withstand another earthquake.
Okay, I think
So
I can
you'll
do
have
this.
to reuse those bricks. You're not having any more though. Let's go. You happy? The earthquake's about to come.
Are you going to be...
Yeah. You ready? Everyone's safe in there? I can
All
see
right,
Lydia's
everyone's
tried
safe.
to build it out to the side a bit more. So maybe it will be a bit more stable.
Maybe.
Let's see. Now, we're not going to sit here all day and watch building and rebuilding. You get the
Unfortunately.
idea. So you can use whatever time you need or time you've got available for the children to design and redesign and retest. Some of them might have some other ideas that Lydia doesn't have about making a stronger tower to withstand the sideways movement. But it's a nice little activity to introduce the idea of engineering for particular circumstances, in this case, for places where there are earthquakes.
But surely I get a second go. Surely.
When we finish, you can have as many goes as you like.
Have fun with your class with this activity.
And have fun smashing towers.